Welcome everyone. The Visual Studio Code can be installed in many ways. By using an installer, by running it from the extracted zip archive, or using the command line interface. Let's go through the process of completely removing VS Code from your development machine. If you use VS Code in portable mode from the zip archive, deleting the extracted folder will remove VS Code data, extensions, and configurations from your system. If VS Code was installed using the installer, uninstall it using the Add or Remove Programs feature on Windows. Alternatively, run the uninstall exe from the installed folder. Open the App Data folder. Delete the code folder. Open the User Profile folder. Delete the VS Code folder. Delete the references from the environment variables if exist.